Okay, so what we're going to do is I want to show you how to use the web page credibility checklist for our assignment today. Now, this is going to help us to determine the credibility or the reliability of the information that is contained on a website. And for this particular example, we're going to be using the website dhmo.org. So I'm going to go ahead and just put that here in our top box. I'm going to write the website that we're using is clear that. dhmo.org. And that dhmo.org, as you can see here, stands for Dihydrogen Monoxide Research Division. Now, in order for us to determine whether or not this is a reliable website, what we're going to do is we're going to attempt to answer a few questions here on this checklist based on the information that's here on our website. So, the first thing that we want to do are look at the positive things that we're looking for on this website. And it says, I can identify a group or individual responsible for the content of this site. So can I identify a group or individual? Well, up in the upper left-hand corner of this site, it does say that we have a United States Environmental Assessment Center. I've never heard of that place, but it is a group. So I'm going to go ahead and come back over here and I'm going to circle yes. The next one says the site is maintained by a person or organization that I know is credible outside of the internet. Well, it does have an organization, but like I said, I don't know if that United States Environmental Assessment Center is a credible organization or if it's not. So I'm going to go ahead for this one and I'm going to circle a 0. That's not a organization I've ever heard of before. The next question says, this site has been updated in the past 3 to 6 months. So I'm going to look around here and see if I can find when it was last updated. Oh, down at the bottom here, we can see on the website, it says last updated September 29th, 2020. So yes, it was. Next question says, this site has external links to other credible websites. Well, let me see here. Does it have credible links to other credible websites? There's a lot of links to other DHMO sites, but I don't necessarily see many links to, let's see this here. This is a link to a website, but it doesn't seem to be going anywhere. Yep, that doesn't seem to work. Let's see this one, Center for Disease. Yeah, this is definitely a link to a website to the CDC, and that is a credible website. So we're going to circle yes for that one. I know of other credible websites that link to this website. I do not know of other credible websites that link to this website, so I'm going to circle 0 on there. This site has a .gov or .edu suffix. It does not. It has a .org suffix, so that's a 0. This site provides a phone number or mailing address that I could use for contacting the person or organization for more information. Let's see. I do not see anywhere here a address or a phone number. Now this does say send us your feedback. Let's see what Nope, that goes to an email. So I'm going to say no for that one. That's a 0. I have verified the information on this site using reliable offline resources. I haven't done that, I'm going to be honest, so I'm going to hit 0. The main purpose of this site is to provide facts and not opinions. Well, it doesn't look like there's anything here that stands out to me that seems like it's opinion. So I'm going to say yes. This site is clearly biased towards a specific opinion or point of view. Nope, I'm not seeing that. The site contains many misspellings or broken links. I don't see any misspellings. There was a broken link. Let's see up here. No, that link works. So I'm going to say no to this one. The main purpose of this site is to sell a product or service. It doesn't look like they're selling a product or service here, but it does have several different things where you can maybe donate or pay money. So I'm going to go ahead and circle that -1 there. The site has no external links. That is false. So now we've gone through all the questions here. We have to add up the positive questions, and what we get is a +4. And then we add up the negative questions and we get a -1. So we're going to subtract 1 from that 4, and our final total, our final reliability total is 3. Okay? It's 3. So now we come back up to the top and we see here 7 or more points. This is probably a reliable source. We should use it. 4 to 6 points, this might be a good source, but we need to try to find out more information about it before using it. 3 or less, this is probably not worth including in our sources. So it doesn't mean that this website is false. It just means that we can't verify whether or not it's reliable or not. Okay? This might be 100% true information that we're looking at. We just can't verify it to know whether it's true or not. So it's not something that we should use whenever we're doing research. That's how we're going to use this tool today in class. I would like you to do the same process with the 4 links in today's assignment.